Hello out there in YouTube land. I'm going to tell you a little bit about today's project. See, I have this all glued up, 4 stacks. These are 8 stacked this way. Then I have this 9.5 inch by 6, and then I have 4 pieces here on each side. It's all glued up, ready to go. All we'll do is make our circle on here and cut the corners off with the bandsaw and put it between centers. Next time you see it, it'll be between centers and be ready to start turning. So let's get that done and see what it looks like. After sanding my glue up smooth on both ends, I glued on 8 and 4 inch pieces for the top and bottom. I then stacked on a little weight on top and allowed to dry overnight. I started rounding at about 500 RPM. I used CA glue and sawdust to fill in a few places. Then I went up to about 950 RPM to finish the shaping. Hey, this little sander here is going to be online how I made this with my CNC. So stay tuned for that. Probably next video. How about next video? Right now we're going to do 180 grit. Okay, it looks like that about does it. Are you ready to see my Crazy Quilt Plywood Bowl? Well, here it is. Look at the inside of it. Now that looks like Crazy Quilt that Grandma used to make, maybe. I don't know. Look at the outside of it. Stick around, we're going to see a Lazy Susan view of it. And let me know what you think in the comments. And be sure, if you haven't already, hit that little red subscribe button down there. Turn it gray for me. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And I'll see you in the next video.